Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Thursday, September 26, 2019. The time is 4 a.m. GMT. We will be looking at the chart of the Euro Yen today. This is 60 minutes chart, 1 hour chart. We can see that the rally to 120.6 is labeled as a wave 4, and if so, then we should be already turning lower in a wave 5, right? And we can see that we are now expected to end the wave 1 of 5, subdivided into a 5 waves, right? And then so we still need to have another leg lower below this 3 here, by the way, to confirm that this is really 5 waves. Otherwise, this could have been an ABC, by the way. This could have been an ABC and then starts to rally again, right? So we still need to confirm another leg lower to sort of confirm it is a 5 waves, and that will give it a little bit higher probability that the bounce is gonna fail below 120.6 for further downside in the Euro Yen. All right. Now, so that's in the shorter cycle. We are in the wave 5, and we are ending wave 1 of 5. Now let's take a look at the larger degree. This is the 4-hour chart, right? So if this is a wave 4, so that means this is your wave 4, and this has to be a wave 3 here. So you can see the sell-off has been pretty impulsive so far, right? It's pretty impulsive, and the only question here again is going to be whether we are going to do another leg lower in the wave 5 or not, right? Because technically, to confirm that we are really going to do wave 5, you got to break below 3, right? If we don't break below wave 3, then you know, you don't really get confirmation that we are really gonna go lower in the wave 5. Now regardless, that's in the medium term, right? That's in the medium term. You can see this wave 4 right now. This one is a 3 waves correction. Alright, this is a 3 waves correction so far, but we still do have to break below wave 3 here to confirm the next leg lower. The break below this wave 3, technically this could have been an ABC, right? And then you can do a, let's say, a double zigzag. Alright, you can do a double zigzag like this before lower again. So overall then, it is kind of, it needs a little bit more confirmation before you can be certain that we are really going to extend lower again. All right. So until then, we can continue to be sideways, or we can even do another double correction. So I think the key is going to be in the shorter cycle. We need to have one more push lower so that you can at least see a 5 waves down, and that will give you a better chance that the bounce is going to fail below here, and then see another leg lower in the wave 3 right here in the Euro Yen. Alright, but so far it does look as a 5 waves here and a 5 waves here. So the key is going to be whether we will see another leg lower, and that if we are, then that is going to give us a 5 waves down from this peak, and that will give us a higher probability that the bounce is going to fail, all right, below 120, and then see another leg to the downside. All right, guys, and of course, if you look at the 4-hour, then if we do get a break below this one, which is 115, then that will be confirming that this is a wave 5. So you're gonna be ending with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then that will end your wave 5 here. Okay. So if you enjoyed this video, you can please like and subscribe, as well as try our service. We have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. Thank you very much, and see you all again tomorrow.